7 of 9 here. I'm doing an unboxing of my Bromo's first crowdfunded and published comic book, Otis Stein, by Skinny Matt Vealey and drawn by Carlos Rodriguez. I got the, I think it's called the body bag perk, so I should be getting a PDF, Otis Stein #1, a blacklight poster, a copy of Lone Wolf #1, a Gravestone Press sticker, and a Lone Wolf sticker. All that Lone Wolf Gravestone Press is Doug Garrett. I'll be getting an Otis Stein sticker, an Otis Stein enamel pin, and a print of Bruce Patnaud's original artwork for Ashcan Pub, which I think is Matt's first published story in this, The Ballad of Otis Stein, right there in Gravestone, or Ashcan Pub. It was a great character, so he turned it into a comic book. So let's see what we got. Okay. Epstein didn't kill himself. Timothy, thank you for your support, Mr. and Mrs. Skinny. Oh, that's nice. All right. I'm going to kill Epstein. There we go. Cut his head off. All right. Here are, what is this, the pins and the stickers in a Ziploc bag. Gotta love that. Gravestone Press. Where can you see that? Can you see there? Gravestone Press sticker, the enamel pin. That's pretty cool. Otis Stein sticker, Gravestone Press. Ooh, and a trading card. I didn't see this one. Otis Stein Frankenbeer, I guess. That looks great. How come any card? I don't know who did this. That looks good. All right. Away, Otis Stein, bagged and boarded. Oh, there's that. That looks so good. Let's see. I know this is riveting, isn't it? There we go. So that's the what is this? Scrimshaw. Wasn't expecting this either. Thank you, Eric Borden, Dave Mims, and Spike. I couldn't say that. That looks good. Oh, that's from Alterna Press. Okay. Got some posters here, some prints. This one, I know. Leave me alone. That one's Bruce Patnaud. Got the Otis Stein on the back. Ooh, does that glow in the dark? That's cool. So I got that one. Ooh, I got 2 of them. Bless him. Is that Eric Hawkins? Is that who that is? Eric Hawkins? Got 2 of those. Yeah, I love these. Nice, very nice. Oh. Okay. All right, thanks. Lone Wolf, issue #1 by Doug Garrett and drawn by Jeff Lashley. And here it is, Otis Stein. That's the back cover. Otis Stein #1. Bromo. I am so proud of you. I know you worked hard. Got this thing done. It looks amazing. I know that word is overused, but whatever. Now stop yelling at me. Otis, come on out. I love Carlos's style. His art style is lots of energy. Super thanks. I'm just going to flip a couple pages here. Oh, I got a Chick Track. I don't want to give anything away, but I want to show something off. Just the first page. Written and lettered by Matt Vealey. Art and colors, Carlos Rodriguez. Skinny, I'm proud of you. Well done. Everything looks great. Oh, the castles and cauldrons. I'm going to have to read this, I guess. I don't even know what it's about. Anyway, that's about it. Got one of these. Got one of these. Got that. And I got that. The pins. Stickers. Where can you see all that? Trading card. Anyway, I guess, yeah, that's it. Skinny, good job, buddy. I'm proud of you.